Good morning. I'm at Kathy's house. I'm here with Peanut. We're working some shaping and some confidence building tricks. Let's show off. Okay, Popcorn. I'm sorry, Peanut. Popcorn, you gonna come over? Peanut, jump. Yes. Good girl. Jump. Yes. Jump. Very nice. Jump. Nice. Jump. Great. Good. All right, let's try the hula hoop. Oh, it's so scary at first, I know. All right. Come on, Peanut. Show off. Go through. Yes. Go through. Well, you got a freebie on that one, didn't you? Didn't you? All right. Go through. Very nice. Go through. Nope. Yes. Good. Go through. No. Go through. Nice. You got that one. All right. That's a wrap.